Hi, okay, in part 2 of this tutorial, if you've got a WordPress site, I'll show you how to add a cookie bar, and it's just a plugin, so it's very, very simple. So go to your plugins page and we need to search the plugin. Now I'm going to just type in cookie notice, and one of my favourite ones, because it's the most simple, is this one, cookie notice for GDPR. This is more likely to be compliant when the rules change again, sometime between now and May. GDPR doesn't actually mean you need a cookie notice as such. That's actually been around for a while. It's a law that's been around for a long time, but GDPR is influencing the way we work with cookies and stuff. So it's the cookie notice for GDPR, but I like this one, and I think it will be a little bit more future-proof than some of the others that have been kicking around for a while. So I just need to click install now. I need to activate. And I need to go to the settings. Okay, so we're at the settings page. I personally don't like this message. I think it's a little bit arrogant. So I'm going to change it with my own message. I'm going to say that's okay. Is it okay? Yeah, that's okay. Enable privacy policy link. That's confusing because it's not a privacy policy I'm linking to, it's a cookie policy. So bear that in mind. But it is a page link, and I'm going to link it, and I'm going to find my page. I've got lots of pages, as you can see. But my page is there because in part 1 I added it, if you remember. I'm not going to synchronize with WordPress. I don't need to. I'm not using their stuff. Now these are the options that are going to kick in later on. You'll need to know a bit of code for this bit, but we'll worry about that when it's near the time. Cookies expire after a month, and it would flash up for them again. And I want it in the... Oh, that's further up, isn't it? The design. I want it in the footer. Does it give me the choice to put it in the footer? I hope so. Animation. You know what, I'm going to make it sliding. Button. Text colour black. I'm okay with black. Yeah, okay. So I think that should be okay. So let's hit save. Now I'm going to need to open an incognito window to see this, because I don't think it's going to show me on the main site, purely because I've clicked OK in the past to make sure it works. So remember, it remembers you for a month. So we're not there. So if I go incognito, hopefully this won't have stored any cookies, and I'll be at the bottom of this. There we go. There's our bar. We use cookies to ensure you give the best experience on our website. If you continue to use the site, you're consenting to these cookies. That's okay, it doesn't do nothing. But if I do click cookie policy, there's my cookie policy. There you go. So that's how to install a cookie bar on a WordPress site. It's just a plugin. It's very simple. Bye.